we will come.
Good morning,
It will
everyone.
be rather rest numbers.
Yeah, as Ayush is asking about the square, magic square. So, the second magic square, I'm going to complete this. Okay, so here you need to use the numbers from 21 to 29, and the total should come 75. This is the rule which was given to you. And here the number is written 25. 25 is already written here. So from 21 to 22, what you will use here so that it will make it.
Ma'am, can I say Samriddhi?
Yes, Samriddhi.
21 and 29.
Very good. 21 and 29 when you use here, it will give you the total 75. Ayush, this is a trial and error method. Here you don't have a fixed rule. Rule is that that total should come 75. So you put 23 and 24, then try. Put 25 and 26, then try and add. Okay?
Yes, ma'am, I tried, but then I have to repeat it again.
Okay. So now here is the 25 you have. So which two numbers you will fill here up and down so that you will get 75? Any guesses?
Ma'am,
Any child can speak?
I could use 24 and 26. Ma'am, can I say?
24 and 26. Okay, let me add 24, 25, and 26. So 6 plus 5, 11 plus 5. 11 plus 4 is 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, so the total is 75. So from 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So you have done 21, cancel it. 25 is done, 26 is done, 29 is done, and 24 is done. Now, now you can fill these four boxes which are left. By putting them
Yes.
down, these four numbers are left: 22, 23, 27, and 28.
Yes.
So arrange them in such a way that you will get the 75. Arrange here two numbers in such a way that you will get the 25. Can
So, ma'am, I
anyone tell
could use
me?
20 and 27 there.
20 to how?
Ma'am,
20
can I
to will
say
not come. 20 is not there in your options.
23 and 27?
23, 27, and where? This side where the 29 is given?
No, ma'am, but 25 from slanting, it will be 75.
Where? This one.
Slant, yes.
Okay. 23, 27, and 25 is already there. 10, 15, and 75. Okay. So you said you will use 23 here and 27 here. Now, add them and subtract it from 27. Add them, subtract from 27. So ये दो boxes भी fill हो जाएंगे. Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, I had a doubt in the homework. I wasn't understanding. You have not given any number. Till what number we have to like
You
make in a
have
homework?
to, yeah, you have to try your numbers and total should come same. The word same is written, no?
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, there.
ma'am, in the worksheet, it was like that only, no? You are not given what should come
Huh.
in total. So
I
first you
have
have to
checked
find
the
the
work.
total,
I have
and
checked
then
your worksheets. Please check your worksheets.
yeah,
I have checked and
Ma'am, I have
revert them
done it.
also. Please check them. Okay. Yeah, if there's nothing is given, if the total is not given to you, it should given the hint is given to you that the total should be same. So you use the numbers according to you and make the same. Got it? There you got it. Yes or no? Okay. So as 27 and 29, 27 and 29, 16, 56. From 75, when you subtract 56, 15 minus 6 is what? 9. Yes or no? Why all children are quiet in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
6 minus 5, 1.
1.
19 is not there in the option.
Yes.
So, Ayush, as I said, you need to do with the trial and error and put the numbers and do. Got it?
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
Okay. Now, page number 103. Mute your mics, please. Page number 103. Numbers and numbers. See, children. You learn addition? Yes or no? Yes or no? Please respond in the class. Grade
Yes,
5B. Be
ma'am.
active.
Yes, ma'am.
Rahil, Daksh Patel, turn on your camera.
Yes.
Yes, you learn addition. In addition, you have observed that if I do 5 plus 2, what 5 plus 2 is?
7.
7. And if I interchange the digits, 2 plus 5,
7.
then
7.
also
7.
RMN, very good that you always, after, in spite of talking to your parents, in spite of talking with you also, you join late my class and you always keep your camera off. It is going to definitely affect your grades, bacha. Aryaman Sanjay, I am talking to you. So, in addition, 5 plus 2, what is okay? Still, your camera is not on.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, it is number and numbers, na?
Yes.
Ma'am, but it is on page number 105.
Yeah, 105. Sorry. You know this is the property that 5 plus 2 is 7 and 2 plus 5 is also 7. If we interchange the numbers, answer will always be the same. Got it, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So same way, when we, this property in addition is called the commutative property.
Ma'am,
Which property, ma'am?
Commutative property. This property is called in
Commutative
the
property.
addition. Yes.
The addition.
Yes. A plus, when you do, for example, if I give you that A is any number, A plus B, when you do, when B is any number, A plus B also the answer will be same. And if you interchange it, B plus A, answer will also be the same. Suppose A is 2, B is 4. The answer is 6. And B is 4, A is 2. The answer is 6. If you interchange the numbers, my basic thing is if you interchange the numbers in the addition, your sum, your total will come the same. Can you give me one example, Freya? Can you give me one example?
Like we do 25, no, 23 plus 27. Answer is 50. And if we do 27 plus 23, answer will also be 50.
Yes. Samriddhi, give me one example.
Ma'am, 5 plus 5 plus 4 equals to 9 and 5 4 plus 5 equals to 9.
Lakshya, give me one example.
5 plus 10, 15, or 10 plus 5 is equal to 15.
Ekansh, give me one example. Karnav, you're busy in talking. You're still in some another class. Yes.
Ma'am, 11 plus 10 is equal to 21. 10 plus 11 is equal to 20.
Karnav, give me one example. Karnav, give me one example.
Yes, ma'am. 20 plus 24.
What is 20 plus 24?
Ma'am, 44.
Then?
Plus 10.
Ma'am, 55.
My dear, where are you? In which world are you? I am doing, if we change the interchange the digits, 20 plus 24 is also 44. Or if you do 24 plus 20, then also the answer will be 44. Got it,
Yes.
Karnav? I'm explaining this topic. Pay attention in the class. Gunav, sit properly. Mohit, give me one example.
Ma'am, I can tell one example.
No, give me one example, Mohit.
Okay. 19 plus 18.
What is 19 plus 18?
37.
37. And then what was next I told you?
Then 18 plus 7, both our answer are same.
18 plus 19. Then also the answer will be 37. This is clear to you all? Everyone is clear with this? Okay.
Ma'am,
Now,
I can tell an example.
no, Lakshya, I have already asked. Please don't talk in the middle.
Yes,
I have
ma'am.
already asked from you. I have already given a chance to you. Mute your mic now. Now, in your textbook, it's written 24 plus 19 plus 37 and equal to sign is written in between. Then you can see 37 plus 24 plus 19 is given. When equal to sign is given means both the sides should be same. This is your right hand side, so this is will be RHS. The short form of right hand side is RHS. After equal to, you can see your hands. Equals to, after equals to your right hand side and before equal to is your left hand side. And the short form of left hand side is LHS. Gunav, remove this background and sit properly in the class. So this topic is clear. LHS equals to RHS means when equal to sign is given means both the sides should be same. How same? Because here is 24, here is also 24. Here is 19, here is also 19, and here is also 37, here is also 37.
Excuse me,
So
ma'am.
when you, wait a minute, Nishika. When you do the total of this side will also be same, and when you do the total of this side, the total of both the numbers will come same. This is clear to you? Yes, Nishika. Ask.
Ma'am, I was asking you, can it be one digit also?
Yes. कुछ भी हो सकता है पर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड सेम होना चाहिए उसका
Ma'am, the both answer is 80.
that you do and find out. Next is already done for you. 215 plus 120 plus 600 equals to sign, then 600 plus 215 plus 120. Now you can see here in this also you have seen that the position of the numbers has changed, but the answer is same. Here also you can see the position of the numbers have been changed, but when you add them, the answer will come same. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it, everyone? Okay. Now we go to the next fill in the blanks. I'm going to present my screen.
Ma'am, this second answer is 935.
Okay, good. Now I'm going to present my screen and show you the page. Fill in the blank space in the same way. Now you start doing. I will ask the questions from you all. Is my page visible to you all, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This we have already discussed about the left hand side and the right hand side.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this page I am discussing. Fill in the blank space in the same way. So here in the star 14 is already given. And there are two blanks. Means after plus something is not given. After plus something is missing. And in the right hand side, if you see all the three numbers are given. So Ekansh will tell me, Ekansh, what will come after 14 here next?
Ma'am, 34.
Okay. Ayush, what will come next here?
Ma'am, 20. The
20 in
circle
the
20.
circle. 20 in the circle. And either we can change, we can write 20 here and 34 after. Will it be okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. We can interchange the numbers, but the total will come same. Now, next child. Anya will tell us.
Yes, ma'am.
See, we can write 21st and 34 next. And if we can write 34 first and 20 next, then also it will be same.
Same.
Anya Mittal,
Yes.
B1. B may what will come in the first dash?
In first dash 65.
65. Very good. Next, Lakshay, what will come in the next after
60,
42?
80,
80.
80.
80 in which shape? Children, follow the shape also, because shape is also given here. Which shape is
Have,
this?
ma'am, don't know.
Why six-sided figure is called what?
Pentagon,
Hexagon.
hexagon, sorry.
Yes. Now, if you see, here is also something missing. Kushahuja, what is missing here?
Ma'am, 42. No, ma'am,
Eh,
sorry.
yes,
65.
42. No, 65 is already there. 80 is there.
Yes.
So 42 is missing now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Next child, Dhyan Dalal. See, 200 is there. 300 is there. What is missing here? Dhyan Dalal.
Ma'am, can I say?
Where is Dhyan Dalal? Why he is not giving the answer? Yes, you give.
Am I
Ma'am,
done?
400.
400. Yes. Now, next child.
I have done.
Samriddhi. What will come here?
Ma'am, it will come 300.
Very good. Now,
And
what
300
will
in star.
Freya? What will come?
Ma'am, 200.
Very good. So please complete D also. In D, nothing is given. You write your numbers and complete it. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
In D1, it is your choice. You can write it, complete it, Twisha, and tell me how you are completing it. Twisha, you
Ma'am,
tell
done.
me. Please tell me the D1. D1 is for you.
Yes,
And tell
ma'am.
me according to the rule which we have learned. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Twisha will tell me. Twisha. Twisha, am I audible to you? Okay, Kushahuja, you try.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me take the attendance for a minute, then I will pin you.
Ma'am, I can tell.
Yes, what you are saying, showing, Kushahuja, please show. Okay, so which numbers you have written in the last blank? 50 plus 30 plus 100 is
Yes,
180,
ma'am.
and 100 plus 30. Very good, excellent. Good.
Ma'am, I can tell my one.
Yes, Lakshya, show me.
6 plus 7 plus 1
Equal to
equal to 6 plus 7. A 13.
But here also,
14.
after equal to also, you need to arrange these digits.
1
Yes,
plus
Ma'am,
7 plus 6.
very good. Very good. Yes, Trisha, please say.
Ma'am, Samriddhi.
Samriddhi,
Ma'am,
wait.
can I say?
No, I will give you a chance. No, Samriddhi, wait. Yes, Trisha, speak.
Ma'am, 5 plus 6 plus 4. 4 plus 5 plus 6.
Very good. Yes, Anushka. Anushka. Okay, yes, Nishika.
Yes, ma'am.
Please try.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, 200 plus 300 plus 400 equals 300 plus 400 plus 200.
Very good. Okay, now we move to the next thing. Look at this, 48 multiplied by 13. Now, children, the rule which we have learned in addition, Same rule applies on the multiplication also. That whether you do 2 multiply by 3, the answer will be 6. And if you do 3 multiply by 2, the answer will be 6. Yes, in multiplication also this is happening. When we interchange the digits, the answer will be same. Got it, Dharya? Everyone got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So in addition and in multiplication, when we even if we interchange the digits, the answer will be same. But this rule will not apply in subtraction. Got it? This rule will not apply in subtraction. Subtraction mein 5 minus 3 is 2. And 3 minus 5 will not be 2, it will be minus 2. Right?
Ma'am, in division also it will not come.
Yeah. So in addition
Yes, ma'am.
and multiplication, this rule will apply only. Now, here it is given 48 multiplied by 13. The answer will come, whatever the answer will come. If you even do 13 multiplied by 48, the answer will be same. So this rule apply in the multiplication also. Now come down. Left, right, same to same. What do you mean by the left, right, same to same? आपने कुछ बचपन में सुना था हिंदी में होता है कुछ? Can anyone explain me?
I don't know,
Left,
ma'am.
left, right, same to same. Numbers में, words में आपने सुना होगा.
Ma'am, 2 to 2.
Yeah. If you do 2, 2, 2, or you read it from the opposite direction, 2, 2, 2, it will be same.
Ma'am, 333.
333. Very good. 3, 3, 3. तो इसको
7,
हिंदी में
7,
कहते हैं ना
7.
उल्टा फुल्टा एक समान, है ना?
7, 7.
Yes.
1, 5, 2.
This
1,
happens
5,
with.
1. 1, 9, 9.
Can I speak, bacha? This happen with numbers or names also, or the letters also. Can you give me some example in your family members also? There are some. हिंदी में ही मुझे बता दो.
Ma'am, wow.
Wow, very good. Wow.
Naman.
LOL.
Hello.
Naman.
Okay. Naman. Very good. Naman. Very good. आपने हिंदी में सुना होगा ना उल्टा पुल्टा एक समान.
Yes,
Yes or no?
Ma'am, इसको कहते हैं parent name number.
Yes, these are called palindromes. These are called
Ma'am,
palindromes. Palindromes. These are called in English palindromes. ये numbers में भी होता है और words में भी होता है. Got it, everyone? Yes or no? Swim. Yes. SWIMS. SWIMS. No, swims कैसे होगा बेटा? SWIMS. Then उल्टा हो गया तो SW होना चाहिए ना?
Ma'am, queen.
Ma'am, 979.
979. Okay, very good. Very good. Now I will explain you something else which is given in your textbook.
Okay.
You all have nicely. So please open your textbook. Page number 105 only. Left, right, same to same. Can you see something special?
Ma'am, page number.
Ma'am, your hang.
Ma'am, you are stuck.
Beta, it was because of 1 or 2 minutes. Now I am audible.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
I am audible.
Yes.
Okay. Let me move forward and mute your mics. Someone mic is on still. Yeah, Daksh Patel, very good. So 1 to 1. Then the boy is saying, what is, it's just a number. इसमें क्या special है? See, it is same forward as well as backward. उसने बोला देखो, उसको आगे से पढ़ो चाहे पीछे से पढ़ो, वो same है. Oh yes, it is 1 to 1 from right to left also. Turn the page.
Yes,
Take a number. Now rules are coming कि हम एक special number कैसे बना सकते हैं. किसी भी नंबर का, वेदर इट इज अ 2
Ma'am,
digit
read the
number.
chat box.
I will see, लक्ष्य. किसी भी नंबर को स्पेशल नंबर कैसे बनाते हैं? लिसन एंड फॉलो द रूल्स हियर, राइट? रूल्स कैसे हैं? 1 डिजिट नंबर, 2 डिजिट नंबर, 3 डिजिट नंबर, कोई भी नंबर स्पेशल नंबर बन सकता है. हाउ? सी, पेज नंबर 106, एवरीवन टेक आउट. टेक अ नंबर, सपोज उसने लिया 43. नाउ टर्न इट बैक टू फ्रंट, उसको उल्टा करो, 34. then add them together. एक स्पेशल नंबर बन गया एक स्टेप से ही. एक ही स्टेप किया हमने, सिर्फ उल्टा किया और उसको ऐड कर दिया. So with the one step only we can see the special number has been derived. Okay, understood or not, students?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Okay, Anya, can you tell me any 2-digit number?
Yes, ma'am.
Any 2-digit number?
3 and 5.
3 and 5, 35. Very good. Now we interchange it. First step is to interchange them. And this is the first step. Add them. Now you can see the special number has been derived. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
First step is to interchange the number. Next is to add them. First step is to interchange the number. Next is to add them. But कई numbers होते हैं जो first step में नहीं हो पाते हैं. For example, 48. First step is to interchange the number. 84.
Ma'am, because they go in 100.
Yeah, 8. This is 12
Ma'am,
and 12 and 13.
Can I give an example?
Now wait, beta. Let me explain the steps.
Ma'am,
Now
I
what
can
you will do here? एक स्टेप में अगर कोई सम सॉल्व नहीं होता, स्पेशल नंबर नहीं बनता, तो हमें वापस से नेक्स्ट स्टेप करना है. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में फिर से इसको रिवर्स करना है, 2 3 1, और फिर से इसको ऐड करना है. सेकेंड स्टेप करने के बाद नाउ यू कैन सी द स्पेशल नंबर हैज बीन डन. So it is not compulsory कि every special. Mohit, don't turn on your camera in between, please. So my point is to explain you that don't think that always the special. Khevna, you're not paying attention in the class. Somewhere else you are looking. My main thing is to explain you, don't think that एक ही स्टेप में स्पेशल नंबर आ जाएगा. नो, स्पेशल नंबर लाने के लिए आपको डिफरेंट स्टेप्स करने पड़ सकते हैं. अगर फर्स्ट स्टेप में आपने जब रिवर्स किया एंड यू हैव डन टोटल, when it is not coming, then reverse that number and do again total. Then also if it is not coming, then again do reverse and then do total. Means the number of steps can be different in all the numbers. Got it? Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I can tell the one example.
There are 3 sums given in your textbook: 28, 132 and 273. Please do this in your notebook and tell me the number of steps also, how many steps it is coming.
Ma'am, I have the special number
Adding
example.
is you can write palindromes or special numbers.
Ma'am, I can tell please one example.
Yes, tell, give me.
12 or 21 is equal to 33. 12 plus 21.
बेटा आपको वो नहीं, हाँ 12 you said and then उसका आपने reverse किया 21, then it is 33. Very good, special. So 33 is a special number. Yes, Priya.
I have a doubt.
Samriddhi after Priya. Yes, Priya.
Ma'am, 371 plus 173 equals 544.
37173 equals to
544 and
544 कैसे? हाँ.
And we plus 445, then it comes 999.
इसमें 5 तो आ ही नहीं रहा बच्चा. 371 173 4 707 14. Okay, yeah. 544 is coming. Then
Yeah.
again you do reverse.
Yes, 445. So the
Yeah.
answer is 999.
So,
9
ma'am,
yes, 9.
ma'am, when we do the second step, that time we have to change the number. The
Again
first step
second step
answer
में भी
number,
reverse करना है, फिर add करना है. First
means
step
like
में भी
it is
reverse.
544. So it is 400 and 400 and well, it is 445 and now it is down 544. It is like this 445 and it is like this
It is given on your board.
544. So it will
It
come
is
9.
given.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, and you have given us the all three numbers on the page number 106. I have found
Yes.
the one A1.
28 का. हाँ बोलो.
28 multiplied by 80 plus
Multiply.
82.
हाँ 82. What is the answer?
110 110 plus 11 011
011. What is the answer?
121.
121. Now the special number has come. So how many steps आपने किए?
Ma'am, 2.
2 steps.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, in the third one, I have a doubt.
हाँ जी करो.
Ma'am, I have done the first step 273
हाँ.
and उसको उल्टा करा 372. फिर आंसर आया 645.
645. Again you reverse it.
हाँ,
546.
और फिर आया 1191. फिर वापस करना.
Yes.
Can I give an example?
Then again do reverse. इसका भी reverse करो.
Ma'am, I have found the second one.
Samriddhi is asking something. Let me clear Samriddhi and then I will go. Yes, Samriddhi.
Ma'am, I was asking that when we have a number 5068.
5068. Okay.
So, see, one more zero, ma'am, and one more zero will become.
After 8 also 0.
Yeah, after 8.
This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit number.
Yeah.
Huh.
So, when we are turning this, zero is coming in the first. So,
हाँ.
what we will add or not add?
Add. आपको तो सिर्फ simply reverse करना है. And add.
Answer will be coming on 59285.
पहले आप थोड़े small number से try करो समृद्धि. आप एकदम से 4 digit 5 digit number से करोगे, you will not understand the concept then. Small with 2 digit number, try with 3 digit number, then move forward with the big numbers. Yes.
Ma'am, I have found the second one.
Okay, second one is which one?
Second one is 132
हाँ.
plus 231
231. हाँ.
is equal to 363.
31
It is
equals
done in
to
the first step.
363. ये first step में ही solve हो गया. Okay.
The
Now.
third one I have got.
Okay, good. Now I will go to the. My dear, we need to learn the words also, no? So mute yourself, Daksh Patel, please. We have to learn about the number also now. In your textbook, it's already given one special. No lemons, no melon. So when you do the reverse of it, see. Up now, some sentences also coming in the reverse. No lemons, no melon. So now when you go reverse, no, LEMONS, no lemons, and then S also will go in this group. No no lemons, no melon. No lemons, no melon. MELON. Can you make the groups like this? Zara, reverse में. No, no. LEMON, lemon. Lemons and no melon. When you read from the back, it's same. Now, can you give me one sentence, students? Give me one sentence. Who will give me? Raise your virtual hand. Yes, Desai, will you give me? Yes, Twisha. Any sentence? Ayush, Dharya,
Mom, I am
Samriddhi.
reading book.
Any sentence?
Ma'am, can I say?
What about?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Thank you,
something.
Samriddhi.
Ma'am, ma'am, you can write no, no smile, no day.
No,
No smile, no day.
no smile,
No day.
no day. अब आप इसको उल्टा पढ़ोगे तो वापस से no smile, no day तो नहीं आ रहा है.
No day,
This is
smile.
no
Day, no day,
no day, no smile. You are saying.
yeah, no day, no smile.
Ma'am, I don't know in English, but
No
I know
day,
in
no
Gujarati.
smile. Smile, no day, no. तो ये तो उल्टा ऐसे पढ़ा जाएगा. ELI. This will be not read
Ma'am,
as
can
the
I
same.
say
No,
one word?
this is not a
Ma'am.
palindrome.
Web, can I say I have one?
Yes, tell me word.
Ma'am,
Very.
race car. If we write like this, it will come the same. Race car.
Race car. RACE. Race car. RACE. Race car. Very good. Excellent. Any other child? Like, you know, MOM, mom. MOM, mom. Dad. DAD. DAD.
Mom,
Ma'am,
dad,
none.
Madam. 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 Madam.
Ma'am, none.
Ma'am,
EYE.
ma'am,
Ma'am.
हाँ. Yes, LOL is done. Or more
Ma'am.
words.
NUN.
ma'am,
NUN. Yes.
ma'am, ma'am, MAAM, MAAM,
MAM.
A,
Any other words? Noon. 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 Give me more words, students. Yes?
Ma'am, can I leave?
Yes. Any other child?
ma'am, toe, no.
Children, frame some sentence and we will discuss tomorrow.
Wow, W-O-W, wow.
WOW. Frame some sentence. I will ask in the next class. Thank
Ma'am,
you,
if you will
students.
write level, it will be same level.
Yeah. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.